Hey friends, welcome to another cleaning video. Today is going to be a quick cleaning video. I'm taking 15 minutes out of my time to just clean inside of this what do you call this cabinet, this vanity, I don't know what you call it. It's in my bathroom, so I'm gonna just take everything out, dust up inside, dust them off, and then I'm gonna get ready to go on the road. Now, I know we see a lot of clean motivation videos from stay-at-home moms, and they are in full swing doing a whole house clean with me, and so many of us don't have the time for that. Whether you're a work at home mom, or you work outside the home, or you simply have so much to do as a stay-at-home mom that you can't find the time to spend a whole day cleaning, these little 15-minute videos are the type of motivation, real life motivation, that you will find helpful. As it's Vlogmas and everybody is posting daily with their Christmas related festivities, I decided I'm gonna do Cleanmas, and I'm gonna find something in my house to clean every day leading up to the new year. So I don't know about you or where you're from, but in Jamaica, people tend to clean and do a lot of stuff for Christmas. They change their curtains, they change their bedding, change out towels, that sort of thing. We paint our houses. If you have a wall or a fence, we paint those things, or we put up a new fence, or we fix up the old fence, that sort of stuff. So I thought it would be cool to just clean something every day in preparation for the new year, a type of feng shui focused video to just get your house in order for the new year. So if you like that idea, I'd love it if you would journey with me on this Cleanmas journey, as I'm calling it, and every day 15 minutes clean with me. I will be scheduling these videos to come out at 7 p.m. each evening. So if you want to see them, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and turn on those notifications by hitting the bell. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you enjoy the video. If you are here with me and you have 15 minutes to watch this video, I'm gone almost 3 minutes into it already. But if you have something to clean, something, anything, it could be a door. Like, when was the last time you cleaned your doors? I know my doors haven't been cleaned in a while. So if you don't have a setup like this in your bathroom and you don't have that to clean, you can find something else to clean. You can probably clean your mirror and clean your sink off. Or you can do the bottom beneath your sink. I think most bathrooms have that. You can go ahead and clean that with me as well. Let me know if you're cleaning. Let me know in the comments what it is that you're cleaning, and let me know if it's this video that got you to get up and start. So there we have it. This task took me around 15 minutes with moving around the tripod, and it's all done, and it's one less thing to do. So come back again tomorrow. Thank you so much for spending 13 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.